welcome back. Today's Sunday and I'm going to be taking you along with me on a Sunday vlog. My husband and I have decided to just take the day off for ourselves and go and explore a country town called Mansfield, which is at the foothills of the Victorian Alps. We haven't done these types of drives for a while now, and today with the weather being beautiful, we decided to just hop in the car and explore. I have a few things that I'd like to see there, primarily the zoo, and just wander around the town. So I thought I'd take you along with me and share Sunday with you.
We left home just after 9. The sky was overcast and gloomy, but the weather forecast for Mansfield showed it was going to be fine. So we filled up the tank and headed out. The drive took us through some truly awe-inspiring scenery. The devastating impact of the last major bushfires left a scarred landscape, and a few years on, witnessing the rebirth and regrowth of these trees is nothing short of miraculous. Nature's resilience and ability to heal itself are on full display, reminding us of the inherent strength and beauty in the natural world. Along the way, we passed through Yea. The town boasts beautiful historical buildings, a thriving main street, and a strong arts culture. It's also a key town on the Great Victorian Rail Trail, which I think we will put on our calendar to do next time. As the elevation increased, we drove through a cloud before coming out the other end once again to beautiful clear blue skies. Mansfield during the snow season is one of the first stops where one can stock up with snow gear, as it sits at the foothills of the Victorian Alps. As it was nearing lunchtime, we made a quick decision to drive to Jameson, a little town 20 minutes away, and stop for lunch, before heading on to the Mansfield Zoo. My husband remembered there was a pretty little spot for lunch which he'd gone to with some friends on a car trip recently. Once we got to Jameson though, he didn't recognise the town, and on checking his phone history realised he was thinking of Jindabyne, a little bit further, in New South Wales, not Victoria. Nonetheless, we found a gorgeous brewery on the edge of the Jameson River on the way to Lake Eildon. And off to the Mansfield Zoo to see the white lions. Protecting it.
These two white lions here are 18 years old. They're born and bred at Mogo Zoo on the south coast of New South Wales, which you might have heard of in the bushfires one the other year. They went with no wean to the National Zoo in Canberra. They were up there for a number of years, and then these two went up to Dreamworld, and they were up on the Gold Coast for a while. Then they went back to Canberra. And when they went back to Canberra, Timber the lion, eating over behind the tree stump at the moment, was causing trouble in the group and couldn't be reintroduced back into the group in Canberra. So they were put in the off-display area for rehoming. And our two old tawny lions had died of old age, so we put our hand up to get these two. And even though we had a permit for 4 lions, it took nearly 18 months of hassling with the DPI, that's the Department of Primary Industries, incorporated in DELP, or whatever they call themselves now, to get permission to go and get them. We told the then director of the DPI there was a better than average chance these two were going to get put down because there was nowhere for them to go. And he replied, "It's not my problem. which is a bit of a shame because white lions are now rated as technically extinct in the world. There's only 102 white lions left in the world, and you're looking at 2 of them. So,
Louis, how am I supposed to work here? There's no room for my mouse. What are you doing?
So these guys get 3 meals a day. In the morning they'll either get dog roll or chicken drumsticks. For lunch they get a mixture of veggies, dog biscuits and something that wriggles, so mealworms or superworms. And in the evening they get chicken neck each.
Grab the shovel. Grab the. They said.
That was fun. We definitely enjoyed going to Mansfield in one day. I would recommend doing it as an overnight trip. It's 180 kilometers from Melbourne to Mansfield, and if you really want to explore the area, probably an overnighter is probably better. We did do a lot today and I'm feeling a little bit tired. I can't wait to get inside and get changed into something a little bit more comfortable for dinner. I'll insert the rest of the evening following this little section. I hope you enjoyed spending Sunday with me. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new, and I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day. Bye.